Hey everyone, this is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. And in this video, I'm going to be helping out all those new ClickFunnels affiliates or any ClickFunnels affiliates who's having hard time to figure out their ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard. How to read it, where you should go if you want to find out something. All of that's coming up in the video. Stick around. Okay, so this is the ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard. You see, it tells you a little more about how much money you make every day of the week, how much you made today, last 7 days, last 30 days, and when your payout be. But this is a little bit different because they have changed. ClickFunnels has changed their payout structure. It's every 1st and 15th of the month. So before they used to pay out every week. So I wouldn't worry about, the ready for payout today, next pay. These numbers are right, but don't worry about this thing. So, and then when you come down, it tells right now the affiliate dashboard is by default on the last 7 days. So you can click on there and you can find out what transaction you've done today, yesterday, last 7 days, 30 days, whatever. So I'm going to leave it at 7 days, and then you have all these different ClickFunnels products that you can get the affiliate link with your affiliate ID in it, and then you can just see it if you promote it or not. So let's pick one 30-day summit. So all you have to do is click on the affiliate tools. If you go down, it tells you this is your affiliate link. You can grab it, and also tells you a little bit more about how much money you can make per click or people who have done. This gives you some affiliate tools of what you can share it for the social media, Instagram, banner ads, and also they have some sample swipe copy that you can send out to people. My suggestion is then since everybody will be copying this and sending it, my suggestion is to you look at the swipe copy of the email and make sure to make changes. Right here it even says there, but I know a lot of people will just send you straight. So you want to be standing different. So what you want to do is make sure you customize to the people you're sending it and make some changes from the original email. So this is all the emails and the what you can put on thing that you get it by clicking on each of the affiliate link tools. Now this is the main affiliate sender that I'm going to put more time on this. This is where it is for the ClickFunnels sign up, which is the 14-day trial, and it tells you exactly, this board tells you exactly how much you're making per month. So MRR is monthly recurring revenue of the active people you are. So right now, as of this video that I'm making close to 2,100 per month for my active accounts. Right now I don't have any new trials, so if you have new trials in the last 7 days, you'll get it here. Remember, this is default to the 7 days, so you get it here. You have somebody, well, after that, after the 7 days, you have currently somebody trailing. After the 7 days, you'll have them promoting here. This tells you lifetime value of the people, the monthly revenue plus the number of customers plus the churn rate. Churn rate is the people, how many people are dropping from your from the active account. So that is the churn rate. So right now it is less than 1% for the last 7 days. The strict trial is how many people are actually going past through the 14 days trial and actually are paying for their accounts. And this is just, it tells you more about the potential trial lifetime value and the potential trial MRR. So if somebody, let's suppose I have one person here that is a new trial. So this one, depending on which account they pick, they will have the potential trial MRR here. So let's say they pick the startup plan, which is $97. So I'll have $38.80. So that is the potential. So that's what you need to focus on it. And while looking at this, I wouldn't focus too much more about the potential and the lifetime. Most important is the new trial, the current, and the what is your monthly MRR, and you need to also look at the churn rate. This shouldn't be high. If it is higher, so that means you're getting a lot of trials, but their people are falling off. They're not um, converting into a paid account, and that's where their money is, right? So you want people to convert into paid accounts. The other things that you can look at it is these again. These are all different products that ClickFunnels offer, and you have your affiliate tools in it. I'm not going to go through each of them, but I already went to the first one. The one that I wanted to go through as of now, the most of the famous one is the one funnel away challenge. It is popular, and a lot of people are promoting this, and which in return will sell their ClickFunnel accounts and all that. So you don't need even people don't even need to have ClickFunnel accounts to join the one funnel away challenge. So depending on if you want to get Excel copy of how many people have joined, how many people have left, and what products have they joined, all you gotta do is select the date range. You can select to 30 days, 7 days, whatever it is, and rather than just clicking here, this will give you individual for the 30 day summit. It'll give you individual. You just go down here and click this, and it will download you for all the software that products that you are promoting it, or people who have an account with you, with your affiliate link, and they're sticky cookied, and they can be buying different products, and you can find out from that. Now the other main thing is this which is the referred affiliates. What this is basically when people come in and click into your link, they come in, they type in their email and their name, but they didn't go ahead and put in their credit card info for the ClickFunnels to take out the payment. So these are all referred clients. So what you can do is maybe do a follow-up email with them. Now people who if you want to do manually, it is a tedious job where you actually have to upload all of this and all that. Now there is a Chrome extension what can do that for you, which is called ClickFunnel affiliate grabber. Now there's a link in the description which will automatically put all the emails from here towards the Google Sheet, and from there you can put in your email autoresponder and follow up them from the ClickFunnels, offering them and making more relationship type, and some of them will end up being your ClickFunnel of clients. So this is really a big one, and people shouldn't, all the affiliates they shouldn't let this go. They should follow up with them through the emails, and they should use this Chrome extension, which will save them a lot of time. So all the links are in the description, and for the people who does want to find out a little bit more about the ClickFunnels and all of that, especially as an affiliate, my suggestion is to learn a bit more about ClickFunnels, what it are they, and how you can promote each and individual products. The more you learn, the more you will give the value out to the people who are looking at the ClickFunnels, and in results they will sign up with your link. So that's it, guys. Hopefully, I'm hoping that you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and if this is the first time you're watching this video from my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Every week we come out with the new videos. Till the next video, see you around.